So we knew that we wanted to renovate our main floor because when we first moved in, we had essentially a galley kitchen, which was quite tight. And in fact, when the kids were small, we used to have a rule that only one person could be in the kitchen at a time because otherwise it was very difficult to prepare meals or anything else. We weren't using in the same way that the previous owners had used. So yeah, we modeled the main floor, but we really weren't sure what we wanted to do. We thought we wanted to put an addition on the back.
Yeah, and so we started to look at some options in terms of renovation, and then we went into a design phase as well, and we were just thrilled with the options.
The team was incredibly helpful, incredibly communicative, very kind, which was actually, you know, not necessarily on our list of must-haves, but such a lovely experience for us, especially because we ended up living in the home during the renovation. Yeah, and then I mean, it's just been so transformative to how we use the house. I mean, it's such a more like communal, vibrant space for us now. We didn't necessarily hang out as a family on the main floor, but now like one of us is cooking and somebody's doing homework and we're listening to music and one of the kids is dancing in the living room. So it's been, yeah, it's created a much livelier, brighter environment, both in terms of the amount of light and the feeling of the home.
And the construction process itself was also a real pleasure. I mean, everything was on time, essentially on budget.
Very collaborative, like it felt like we were actually creating something together with our designer. Sometimes tough advice, but really, really helpful, beneficial, great advice. So yeah, no, we're thrilled.